everyone, welcome back to my Sichuan kitchen. If you're new here, my name is Yi and I share easy to follow Asian recipes that you can cook at home. I grew up in the beautiful city of Chengdu in Sichuan, China, and a lot of my recipes are inspired by the authentic Sichuan recipes from my hometown. Today I'm going to make a new series on my channel which are vegetarian and vegan recipes. I personally eat a lot of vegetarian food, although I'm not completely vegetarian, but maybe 80% of my food is vegetarian. A few weeks back when I was in Chengdu, I visited this amazing vegetarian buffet and I had so many different dishes in there, and I would love to share some of the recipes that's inspired by them as well. So now let's get started with today's cooking. Let's introduce today's star, cauliflower. Dry pot cauliflower is a traditional Sichuan dish and it's spicy and the cauliflower is cooked to perfection and you're gonna absolutely love it. Traditionally, this dish is cooked with pork belly, but today we're going to use some beancurd. It's gonna be super tasty. And now let's get started with preparing the cauliflower. For this dish, I would highly recommend using organic cauliflower because they have longer stems and they have this extra crunchy texture after cooking. Here is the beancurd I bought from my local Asian grocery store. It is lightly seasoned with Chinese 5-spice and I highly recommend it. Cut off the cauliflower crowns. If you're using organic cauliflower, use as much stem as possible because they are so yummy. Split larger pieces into smaller ones. In a container, wash cauliflower pieces with water. Then drain. Sprinkle a quarter teaspoon salt on the washed cauliflower. Mix well. This will add a good base flavor for the cauliflower pieces. Next, let's slice the beancurd. Simply slice beancurd evenly and add to a plate. Moving on to the aromatics. Today I have garlic, ginger, spring onion, and red Fresno Chili peppers. Slice the red chilies into pieces. The red chilies add a beautiful color to this dish. You can use not spicy species as well if you like more mild taste. Slice garlic. Then slice ginger. Slice the green part of the spring onion into 1-inch pieces. Prepare a few dry chilies, chopped into smaller pieces. Remove seeds. Now we are almost ready for cooking. Don't forget to take out some Sichuan peppercorn for that classic numbing flavor. Make a simple sauce with light soy sauce, 2 teaspoons, dark soy sauce, a half teaspoon, and sugar, half teaspoon. Mix well and set aside. In a wok, generously add cooking oil, about 2 tablespoons. Drop in dried chilies. Then Sichuan peppercorn. Add garlic and ginger slices. Stir until fragrant. Add cauliflower, stir fry for 2 to 3 minutes. Add Shaoxing wine via the side of the wok. Drop in beancurd. Stir fry for another 2 to 3 minutes. Add red peppers. Cook until cauliflower is soft. Mix in the sauce. Taste for salt if you'd like. Lastly, add spring onion, give it a good mix, and turn off the fire. It's time to serve. This vegan dry pot cauliflower is packed with flavor. If you're looking for a tasty vegan cauliflower recipe, don't miss out on this one. It is so good, I guarantee you'll enjoy it as much as I do. Alright guys, now our favorite part, the taste test. This just looks so amazing. It's like so much beyond my expectation and I cannot wait to try it. It smells so fragrant with all the aromatics. Ooh, look at that. So good. The cauliflower is cooked to perfection and it is so crunchy. I don't know if you can hear it, but it is so satisfying eating it. Let's try the beancurd. The beancurd got that perfect texture. It's kind of meaty as well, and it mixed so well with the seasoning we had. This is absolutely gonna be your favorite vegan dish. Thank you guys so much for watching today's video. Give me a thumbs up if you enjoyed it and send it to your family or friends who would enjoy this recipe as well. Hey, if you're liking this recipe, subscribe to my channel because I'm making a lot of dishes like this one. Thanks so much for hanging. I'll see you next time.